Hi everybody, this is Dave again with Off Leash Canine Training in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Today's video I'm introducing you to Maverick here. Maverick's a 10-month-old mini Goldendoodle, and as you can see he's about as cute a dog as you're ever going to see. What he lacks in physical size he makes up for in personality. He is very, very fun-loving, very affectionate as you can see, loves to be held and cuddle, and loves to give little doggy kisses. He really wants to be a part of everything that's going on. And since he's a little bit short, a lot of the things that are going on around him that he wants to be a part of are kind of up over his head, higher than him. And that's developed in him a little bit of habit of jumping up onto things when he's not necessarily supposed to, leaping up and putting his front paws on people or things when he shouldn't. So his mom was hopeful that we could kind of curb that bad habit in him and see if we could get that under control. Additionally, there's a couple safety issues. He wants to be a part of anything going by when he's outside. So for instance, people running, bicycle, motorcycle, car, any big loud vehicle. Very exciting to him, and he seems to feel the need to go off and get it and take off running. And you can imagine that could have a catastrophic result for him. So we wanted to desensitize him to things going by, loud things, fast things outside, so that he had no desire to run after them and keep himself safe. His mom was wanting us to obviously get the basic commands of obedience for him, his recall to keep him safe, and his ability to sit and not be distracted and break his sit and break his hold of his commands and have him go to place when he's supposed to. We were also hopeful that he might be able to learn a couple of advanced commands that could help with his safety issues. Both of them have to do with him getting away and being off at a distance before anybody realizes he's taken off. One of them is called sit in motion, and that is a difficult one for a dog to learn, but it's when he is heading somewhere. He's at full trot or walk or run, and he is given the command to sit right in the middle of that. And instead of keeping going, he hits the brakes and drops right where he is. Again, very difficult one for a dog to really grasp in a short time. Another one is distance down. So if we find ourselves at a distance from him, giving him the command down so that we know he is completely still and in a completely stationary position where we have time to get to him and scoop him up if necessary. So we were hopeful to try to get not just the basic obedience, but a couple of those advanced commands done. And the best way to try to get that done will be, of course, the 2-week board and train. So I took Maverick here home to my place for a couple weeks to see if we can make some progress on those things. And the rest of this video is going to show you how Maverick fared with that training. Take a look.